Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After we visited ruins, now we are going to see Sandira beach, or you can say the Paradise beach. Both the beach located at side by side. The beach we are going to visit, it is 2 kilometers away from the ruins. It took only 10 minutes to reach the place. Here you can see on your left there is a small road going away from the main road. You can take a left over here. From here to the beach 800 meters. The road is not paved, so it looks like we are driving through the jungle. There is no houses in between. Actually, it is a little bit scary. Finally, we arrive at the beach area. In this place, have a mini shop. You can buy your snacks and drinks over here. Here we have to pay entrance fee 70 pesos per person. For the kids, 30 pesos. After we pay the entrance fee 70 pesos, we walk to the beach. The entrance was very cool. Now the time almost like 10 o'clock. They maintain very well. This looks like a slight garden effect and very welcoming. In Bantayan beach, if you see cactus plant in the tourist spot, you can see a lot of names over there because the tourists write their name on the plant. That is a custom over here. Same thing I saw in the Virgin Island. This place maintained very well. I can see around 10 people over here right now, and you have a very good beach. Because of the super low tide right now, the water is a little bit far away. In the morning we went to ruins. Because of the super low tide, I couldn't do the cliff jump. I was a little bit sad, but right now nobody can stop me swim in this beautiful beach. I was very excited. The water was very cold. It is colder than Virgin Island. I took a first dip. The water was so crystal clear. Even though there is not much sunlight, still is very clear and very refreshing. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. The water was so refreshing. The feeling was very amazing. Everyone should try that. It was very happy to swim in the beautiful beach like this. Not much crowd. This is the moment I forget everything, just float on the beautiful sea. Just me and the beautiful beach. This is the starting place of Sandira beach, and you can see on the entrance me and my brother sitting over there. On your right side you can see 5 people coming from the Paradise beach, which is located on the side. You can see the white stair. That is a Paradise beach. The Paradise beach have a camping place. If you come from the Paradise beach, the entrance fee only 25 pesos, so you can save 45 pesos. Here nearby couple of hotels are there. Either way, this place little bit remote from the main town. This is the first accommodation close to the beach, the Ivory Castle, or you can say Golden Coast Residence. Here you can rent a room for 1600 pesos per night, which is very reasonable. They have their own backyard, which is nice, and access to the sea. There is no beach over here, but looks like a cliff jumping area. And another closest accommodation, this one, Ganduyep House by the Sea. This one much better with the swimming pool and other amenities. At the same time, it is very expensive. Per night they charge you close to 5,000 pesos, but the ambience looks much better. So you can have one more look from here. We are going backwards, but now you can see the both accommodation offer you only cliff diving area on the backyard. There is no beach. Now you can see the Paradise Beach camping area. Actually the Paradise Beach, the beach area is very small. If it is high tide, there is no beach area. But the Sandira beach, even though high tide, you will have some beach over there. If you see closely, because of the super low tide, you can go from Paradise Beach to Sandira beach. If it is high tide, little bit hard to cross because of the water level. Either way, I highly recommend Sandira beach because the beach looks very amazing and it will offer more. Look at the place, how beautiful it is. And you can see the main road away from the beach. In between you have a forest area. Now we can have a look how we came from the main road. It is almost like 800 meters away from the main road. That's why you cannot come over here after dark. Because of the safety reason, I don't recommend anyone to come over here after 5 p.m. This place looks like a jungle. There is no house nearby. I recommend anyone to come over here before 4 p.m. and leave this place after sunset. This is one of the main attraction in Bantayan Island. I highly recommend for anyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.